Yeah, man.
What a guan! I am Mikel Marvin Samuels. Watch me cook chicken okra stew, aka stewed chicken with okra. Get 1 dozen okras, herbal or ready-made seasonings, 1/4 teaspoon any flavored distilled white vinegar. Prepare 1 or 2 pounds chicken parts for cooking. 2 teaspoons between 1 tablespoon salt, diced, cleaned scallion, diced, small or medium onion, mashed 3 or 2 garlic cloves, 1/4 inch piece hot pepper. I am using Scotch bonnet pepper. 1 or 2 dried pimento berries, dried or fresh springtime. 1/4 inch piece ginger with skin, optional. 1 tablespoon ketchup. Buy my cookbook, Jamaican food recipes. Visit JamaicanDinners.com for the recipes. Add half or all seasonings on chicken. And then use your hand with your fingers. Rub seasonings on chicken. If you want, cover container properly. Marinate chicken 3 hours room temperature. Overnight in the refrigerator. However, if you are in a hurry, you can start cooking now. Put a medium-sized saucepan / stew pot on the stove. If the pot is wet, use a paper towel or a clean kitchen towel to dry it. Turn the stove's flame gauge on 4 medium-low. Add 1/4 cup between 1/2 cup cooking oil. Add piece ginger. Before frying chicken, use a cooking fork to remove the seasonings that is on the chicken. When the cooking oil is hot enough for frying, put each chicken part on its own spot in the pot. If you're using 1/2 cup cooking oil, after frying chicken, drain half of the oil. Allow the chicken to fry golden. Put okra into a container. Add enough water on it. Sprinkle several drops of distilled white vinegar in the water. You could use a pinch of salt instead. Use your fingers. Wash the okras clean and then rinse it. Now use a knife or cooking scissors. Chop off the 2 ends on the okra, the head and the tip. Or you could say the head and the tail. Do not dice the okra. This is the prepared okra. Put it aside. Go look on the chicken. After 6 minutes, use a cooking fork. Flip chicken on the other side. Like this. Allow frying. It is important that you fry the chicken golden like this. Get 1 cup water ready. After 6 minutes, add seasonings in the pot. Use the cooking spoon. Shuffle the diced vegetable seasonings to the pot's bottom. Allow the seasonings to saute for a few seconds and then add the 1 cup of water. Add 1/4 teaspoon any flavored distilled white vinegar. Use the pan's lid, cover it properly. The stove's gauge is on 4 medium-low. Allow. After 4 minutes, add okra in the pot. You could just put it on top. Use a pot's lid. Cover it properly. The stove's gauge is on 4 medium-low. Allow. After 4 minutes more, totaling 8 minutes since we start stewing, since we added the water. This is it. Use a cooking spoon to move the okra into the stew and then use the pan's lid, cover it. The stove's gauge is still on 4, medium-low, allow. You could do a non-spoon stir. Use a kitchen towel. Lift the stew pot off the flame. Do a non-spoon stir. After 6 minutes, totaling 14 minutes, this is the chicken okra stew. Use a cooking spoon. Stir in right around the stew pot. Keep your eyes on it while stirring. Add 1 or 2 tablespoons ketchup. Stir the ketchup in the stew. And then use the pan's lid, cover it. The stove's gauge is still on 4, medium-low, allow. After 2 minutes more, totaling 16 minutes, this is the chicken okra stew. Use a cooking spoon. Stir in. Keep your eyes on it while stirring. When the gravy/stew starts sticking to the pot's bottom, this is a sign it is ready. This is finished. Turn off stove. Use the pot's lid, cover it until serving. I am putting a piece of chicken with okra and the gravy on a plate of rice. This is chicken okra stew, aka stewed chicken with okra. Visit JamaicanDinners.com for the recipe. Subscribe, like, and share. You should try cooking this chicken okra stew yourself. I am sure you will enjoy eating it. Share your experience with us. This is chicken okra stew, aka stewed chicken with okra. buy my cookbook. It's a big 8 by 10 book with 511 pages that you can put on your kitchen counter for easy reading. It's available on Amazon.com. This chicken okra stew has a very delicious flavor. The taste is awesome. Trust me, Jamaicans, try this. It's delicious. The flavor is very unique and delicious. When you cook this chicken okra stew, the flavor is good. You will be surprised. Please try it. Until next time, Megan.